Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year. 2024 is over, so we're going to be looking at December numbers this month for our market update. We're going to check out the stats like we always do, show you the real world examples of the lowest, median, and highest sold homes this month. And then we're going to talk a little bit about interest rates, some comparisons about the market and the years prior, and maybe a little bit of outlook on what 2025 might have to offer, even though predictions are hard to do. So anyways, let's get to it. We're going to start off with home prices. So here we are with our 12-week home price chart. You can see here we're following pretty close with years prior, but we are 4% up year over year on home prices. And next one we're going to check out here is our lowest sold this month. This one is 215,000, 4-bed, 2-bath, 1,872 square feet. It was built in 1972 and it was on 1/4 of an acre. Not a bad little place. Definitely could use some updating depending on your style here. And here's a shot of the backyard. It looks like a pretty nice little backyard. Here's our median sold this month. 395,000, 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,734 square feet. And it was built in 2024 and it was on 0.2 acres. So pretty standard little new build here. Here's our highest sold, 900,000, 5-bed, 3-bath with a half bath, 4,152 square feet, built in 2024 on 0.36 acres. This house has a lot of dark colors with some nice contrast, really modern looking. You can see the black marble look here with the lighter wood cabinets. It was a really nice place. So checking out our chart here between November and December, you can see quite a big fall off there. Show you the percentage differences here. So we're at 301 total active single family listings, which is 8% down from November. New listings are 30% down from November. Closings 31% down, and pendings were 25% down. So big pullback there. This is very consistent with years prior. I checked the last couple of years and this is very similar. So we got 3.6 months based on the 1 month number, and our average over 4 months is 2.7 months. So this is staying very consistent. But again, this is probably just December being a slower month in most years. So nothing to really get too concerned about there. But this is just the turnover rate of the market. Basically, got to get to 5 months to be a balanced market. So we're still in a seller's market, as I always say, it seems like, because this doesn't change, hasn't changed too much. The listing average price are at 451,000, which is down from 581, which I think this was kind of an outlier last month. Median sold price down to 395 from 425. Not surprised there with the winter changing the home prices there a little bit. We had a little bit of a dip, even though we're up 4%. Homes under 300,000, we only got 30 houses under 300,000 for sale, so that's going to be pretty tight in those price ranges as far as choices, and going to be more competition in there. 82 homes from 300 to 400,000. That's roughly the same as it was last month, so not too bad for choices there. That price range. Average days on market went up 2 days, 52 from 50. It's not a huge change there. So it's a little bit slower than it has been. Average days on market per price range. I always say I like to show you this just in case you're thinking about selling and you kind of know your price range. These are the averages about what it's going to take you to sell your home. So 0 to 400,000, we're at 33. 4 to 6, we're at 81. 6 to 8, we're at 26 days, and over 800,000 we're at 48 days. So that's about averages what you could look to, what you could expect if you're going to sell your house soon. Moving on now, interest rates are back up into the high 6s, unfortunately, and as far as I've read, the outlook on the next year is not going to be much different. We're probably going to be stuck in the 6s, but you know, these things are hard to predict. If you're wanting to look at exactly what you could get for an interest rate, feel free to reach out. I will get you in touch with some of the lenders that I work with here in town, and we can shop around and see what kind of rate we can get you. As far as the market compared to other years. This year we sold just about the same amount of units as we did last year. And I'm thinking next year is probably going to be very similar. I'm not thinking there's going to be any huge changes. I'm thinking that this is probably just going to be kind of the new normal for a little while, unless something big changes. It seems like builders have kind of found their balance point. They're not building too many homes to really change the market that much. And until interest rates drop significantly, I think homeowners that are not totally fed up with the house they're in are going to stay where they're at, just because they're locked into really low interest rates. First-time home buyers are still going to be in about the same boat, just because interest rates haven't changed that much. So affordability is still kind of an issue right now. So unless some of those things change, I wouldn't think there's going to be a huge shift in the market for now. So that's all I have. 2024 was a great year. I want to thank all my clients for choosing me as their realtor, and I love everybody that referred me out to somebody else. That's the main staple of my business that keeps me going. So thanks everyone for supporting me. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment down below on any questions you have, and always like the video. We'll see you in the next one.